yourselves in. Do not use physical force. Use the national platform that we have to continue to defend liberty through our constitutional rights in an Article 3 court with an Article 3 judge. America must understand where we are at. We must make a choice now between freedom or force. Are we going to live free? I will not abandon all that we have accomplished in the name of liberty for the sake of my own personal freedom. We must choose the path of liberty, which comes with the freedom of choice. People must not be okay with what is going on. I am committed to freedom, not force. Freedom, not force. We are done with the culture of force. We are done with the government pointing guns at us to enforce their will upon the people. This is not liberty, and this is not America. As much as I desire to see my own babies and my wife, and to be the loving husband and caring father for my 6 children, to be home with them, caring for their needs and holding them in my arms, I must not desire this at the cost of freedom. I want to make sure that the American people understand that we have a duty in our situation to further the defense of our God-given rights. The world is listening. We will use the criminal discovery process to obtain information and government records. We will continue to educate the American people of the injustices that are taking place. And we can do this through an Article 3 court with an Article 3 judge. This is the Constitution. It is ours, and we will use it. When we were detained, we were traveling to Grant County to educate those people of their individual rights. We have been branded as armed occupiers, but we were prepared with computers and PA systems and projectors. We have spent endless hours for weeks visiting the people in Harney County and the surrounding counties, presenting to them solutions and giving them choices to make. We were being very successful in educating people and getting them to move towards freedom. At the time, we were gaining momentum through education. And for this, the government once again chose force that turned lethal. We only had guns for our protection and never once pointed them at another individual or had any desire to do so. The people have a right to bear arms for their own protection. We never wanted bloodshed. We verbalized this many, many times, and we continue to do so. I mourn Lavoie's death. Lavoie was a man who put others' needs and safety before his own. After we were arrested, the FBI agents that transported us said that Lavoie's shooting would have to have been recorded on video. We are anxiously waiting to review this video. Questions must be answered. The choice is ours. Are we going to stand for freedom, or will we fall by force? Thank you.
That's the end of Ammon's